So we're back here at Academy Mortgage with Adam Moore, and choosing a mortgage lender is just one of 1,000 things that people need to consider when they're buying a house. You know, from a realtor to even their insurance guy, their movers. So tell me, what are some of the most important things to consider when a homeowner or potential homeowner is looking to buy a house?
Well, in terms of choosing a mortgage lender, as we all know, there are options. Every corner of every street in town has a bank or a mortgage company, or you can go online and apply for your loan. I think one of the key components to choosing your lender is, again, I always speak about the aspect of being local. I think that's really key. Have someone that's available for you. You can walk in the office, sit down with them face to face, have someone that's going to guide you through the whole process. So being local and available is critical in my opinion.
Yeah, so I like the face-to-face thing. It seems that my mortgage has been sold about 19 times, and now our mortgage is with someone named Mr. Cooper. So when I'm angry at Mr. Cooper, I can't, like here, if I'm angry at you, I walk right down the street,
right,
and I can talk to Adam Moore.
Right.
I don't know where Mr. Cooper is.
Right, exactly.
Or Fannie or Freddie or whomever.
I always say transparency is key. I try to be very transparent with my clients and just be very honest and just say it like it is. And people can come in the office and sit down with me at any point. The door is always open, and that's how I run my business for sure.
Great. So
I was going to add to that.
Okay, go for it, 'cause I was running out of things to say.
Obviously, you know, working with someone that's knowledgeable, that you have that sense of trust, it's going to not only just offer you a good rate and you know, get you to the closing on time, but someone that's going to walk you through the whole process and help you feel informed and educated as you go through the whole process with no surprises.
Okay, so is that what makes, you know, Adam Moore and Academy Mortgage stand out from, like you mentioned, the 57 other people like within a stone's throw?
Yeah, I think when I look back on my almost 100 Zillow reviews, we're trying to get to 100, we got about 10 to go. I would say that most of the feedback I get from my clients would be the fact of me being available, local, all these key components I keep coming back to, knowledgeable, communicate on a daily basis, keeping people updated along the way, making them feel like their only client is a common testimonial that I hear a lot. So for folks that really want a great experience and want someone that's going to be part of their team throughout the whole process, I'd be a good fit.
So that being available all the time with 2 little kids, that must be fun.
Yeah, that's part of the business. I mean, in real estate, we always know that, you know, timing is critical, and we get a lot of those Sunday evening phone calls, and, you know, you could go to the big bank for your pre-approval, but they're not going to answer the phone at 7 o'clock at night when they need a pre-approval. They're not going to help you on that Sunday afternoon once you found your dream home. So again, keeping it local, working with someone that's available. We say 24/7, but obviously within reason. But I always try to respond to my clients as soon as I can.
All right. Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Appreciate the insight.
Absolutely.